Your discipline builds your future. Welcome to Clartify.
If you feel like your mind is getting weaker, if you can't focus anymore, if you feel tired for no reason, if everything feels boring unless it's fast, loud, or entertaining, this is not your fault. Your brain has been hijacked. Today, you begin the dopamine reset that can take back your focus, rebuild your discipline, and give you your life back. But before we start, do one thing. Stay until the end. Your entire perspective about your own mind will change. Your mind didn't fail you. Your discipline didn't disappear. Your focus wasn't lost. It was stolen. For years, social media, notifications, short videos, endless entertainment, and digital overstimulation have been quietly reshaping your brain, not by accident, but by design. Today you're going to understand how you lost control of your mind, and more importantly, how to take it back. Let me tell you a story. There was a kid, maybe just like you, who used to read books for hours. He could focus deeply. He enjoyed silence. He could study for long periods of time without checking his phone. His brain was calm. His mind was sharp. His attention was strong. Then something happened. He downloaded one app, then another. Notifications started popping. Videos became shorter. Entertainment became easier. Everything became faster. And slowly, without noticing, his brain began to change. Reading became too much effort. Studying felt boring. Sitting still felt uncomfortable. Silence felt scary. And his mind demanded more and more stimulation. He didn't lose his attention. His attention was hijacked. And the same thing happened to you. Dopamine is not bad. It's the chemical that helps you take action. But modern apps discovered how to hijack your dopamine system. A swipe, a tap, a notification, a 10-second video, a simple scroll, and you get dopamine instantly. Your brain got used to easy rewards. So when you try to study, read, build a business, go to the gym, or fix your life, your brain says, "Where is the quick reward? This is too slow. Let's scroll instead." You're not lazy. You're not broken. Your dopamine system is exhausted. Let me give you a real example. A student once told me, "I used to read books easily. Now I can't finish one page without checking my phone." He's not weak. His dopamine baseline is destroyed. After too much hyperstimulation, TikTok, Reels, YouTube Shorts, simple tasks feel painful. Your brain says, "This doesn't give dopamine fast enough. Switch." That is dopamine addiction. Your brain has a dopamine baseline. When you consume too much stimulation, gaming, scrolling, junk food, porn, short videos, your baseline drops. Meaning, you need more stimulation to feel normal. You feel tired for no reason. Everything feels boring. You can't focus for more than a few seconds. Life loses its color. You didn't lose passion. Your dopamine system is too overloaded to feel anything. The good news? You can reset it. The first step of the dopamine reset is simple. 24 hours without social media, unnecessary music, junk food, useless videos, or mindless entertainment. Just one day. It will feel uncomfortable. You will feel bored. You will feel restless. That discomfort is not a problem. It's healing. Your brain is learning to function without cheap dopamine again. After the 24-hour reset, begin the 7-day rebuild. Limit phone use to specific times. Remove toxic apps. Turn off notifications. No scrolling in bed. Reduce entertainment. Add 1 hour of deep focus each day, reading, studying, working silently. Replace scrolling with walking. Replace noise with silence. Replace consumption with creation. In 7 days, you will feel your brain coming back to life. More clarity, less anxiety, deeper sleep, more focus, natural discipline. Your mind starts working for you again. Let me tell you another story. There was a man who did a 30-day dopamine reset. Before the reset, he couldn't focus for 5 minutes. He scrolled until 3 a.m. He felt empty, scattered, unmotivated. He started tasks but never finished them. He lived inside his phone more than in his real life. After 30 days, he transformed. He started reading again. His business doubled. His sleep became normal. His anxiety almost disappeared. He became calmer, more confident, and more disciplined. He didn't change his life. He changed his dopamine, and his dopamine changed his life. Here's the formula for a focused, disciplined life. Lower dopamine equals higher focus. Remove constant stimulation. Higher effort equals higher discipline. Train your brain to find reward in effort, not escape. Lower distraction equals higher clarity. Your environment shapes your mind. Small action equals big momentum. Tiny, consistent effort beats intense motivation. Your brain is your weapon. But right now it's overstimulated, overwhelmed, and exhausted. The world wants your attention. Every app, every platform, every notification is fighting for your mind. But you can take it back. You can rebuild your focus. You can restore your discipline. You can reset your dopamine. Start your dopamine reset today. Take back your mind. Reclaim your identity. The future version of you, the disciplined, focused, unstoppable version, is waiting on the other side. Before you go, if this video helped you understand your own mind, like this video so YouTube sends it to more people like you. Share it with someone who needs to escape this cycle. And if you're ready to rebuild your life, subscribe and join Clartify, because this is only the beginning. Your life changes now.
Thank you for watching. If you're ready to upgrade your mind and build unshakable discipline, make sure to like, share, and subscribe. More powerful lessons are coming. Stay disciplined. Stay Clarify.